Hello friends, how you doing? This is Eric, your crypto man, and hope you're having a nice weekend. It's Sunday, and I'm with Novatech. Novatech is a trading company. They trade Forex and crypto, and here you can see their platform. What's going to happen today? I'm going to show you how I basically take my profits from last week and reinvest again. This company's been around for over 3 years and never missed a payment. So just want to say I'm not a financial advisor, and you do your own due diligence, make your own decision, never risk what you can't afford to lose. Okay, Novatech uses a PAM account, which means basically they take our investments, all the people who invest in this project, and they like I said before, they trade crypto and Forex. And so last week they did 3.64%, which is great. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to my back office. I will show you my account, what I did right now, 900 and something dollars, and my profit was 32.47. And I'm going to take my profit. Basically, I'm going to reinvest, which means basically I'm compounding my money. And that way I let my account grow. So I go to the back office here, as you can see. And I will put here 32. And next step is putting my PIN number, which is a 4-digit code, which is an extra security layer. This is just to make sure. I apply. It's going to take a couple seconds here. And here we go. I have some change, which is going to be left over for next week. And from this point, I basically check mark on both places. I agree. And I validate this, and again, and here we go. So there we go. I made this profit, and now, as you can see, my receipt for this. Novatech is a registered company, and they issue an invoice, and you can see right now how my account is growing. So next week I'll be trading with this, and the number is growing, and this is what I'm going to do for the next months. I'm going to grow my account, and I will decide later on towards the end of the year if I want to take some out and enjoy my profits. So Novatech, great company, over 3 years, been paying constantly, no problems at all. And if you'd like to join my team, I'll have my link in the YouTube channel. And please do a like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice weekend, folks. Bye-bye.